Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it was announced recently that a $420 million CNG charging station or fuel CNG station basically to fuel the buses will be built at the Spanish Town Depot. Now, currently the only depot that the JUTC has that can fuel the CNG buses is in Portmore. So as the JUTC changes out its fleet to more CNG buses, they need to increase the capacity to fuel these buses. And so they have decided to build a second station here in Spanish Town. Now Jamaica or the JUTC has about 300 more CNG buses on order, 100 of which should reach before September this year. And they currently have over 100 in service. But those buses can only operate out of, the ones that they have in service now can only operate out of the Portmore depot, because that's the only depot that can fuel them, or I don't know if it's a fuel with CNG, I guess gas them. So this is good that they will be putting in a second depot in Spanish Town. So that means the buses can be distributed to other places around Jamaica, to other routes. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. An investment of $420 million is being made by Jamaica's largest independent power supplier, InterEnergy Group, for the development of the second compressed natural gas facility at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company's JUTC Spanish Town Depot. The disclosure was made by Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Valls. This facility will be able to fuel 202 CNG buses per day, adding to the existing facility at the Portmore Depot that is a total of 397 CNG buses per day, the minister outlined. Mr. Valls pointed out that the JUTC CNG fleet currently has 127 buses, while another 100 are set to arrive in the island within weeks. When the InterEnergy facility is completed, we will not only have the capacity to fuel the 227 CNG buses in the fleet, but we will also have the capacity to fuel 75% above the demand that will exist for the JUTC with the CNG, the Transport Minister maintained. He noted that the InterEnergy facility is expected to be completed between August and September of this year. The new CNG buses will get here by the middle to the end of June. That is downtime. School is off and we will be in a better position to start back to school. Not only with the buses being fueled in Portmore, but the new facility in Spanish Town, he outlined. Meanwhile, the minister indicated that the government has received a proposal from Accelerate Energy, which has indicated that it is prepared to fund and build out Phase 3 of the Portmore CNG fuel plant, taking the facility's capacity up to 195 buses per day. The government's investment in CNG buses is expected to further improve operational efficiencies at the JUTC while leading to significant savings. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.